Welcome back, everyone. So let's see what has happened in the markets. First of all, I wanted to say that I'm just making this video after 2 days. I took off for last 2 days. I have not made any videos on market update because I was not well. So I'm sorry for that. So let's analyze. A lot has happened in the markets in last few days. So, we have seen that the market has come down to this support level. And from here, when, prices took support because of the minor support area and the rising 20 MA. And when it took support here, since then we are seeing new highs. If you analyze, each candle has, broken the high of the previous candle. So that shows that the momentum is to the upside so far. Today, we have seen that, after markets have reached to the nearest to the resistance area, prices have come down, and this reaction was quite obvious because we have sellers near the resistance area. So all in all, Nifty is looking, neutral to positive as of now, because after this reaction, the expectation was that prices should, break below this support area, and that has not been done so far. So until and unless we broke below the support, we should not be bearish in the market. We can take calls intraday, so that depends on the day, but for long term, Nifty is still looking positive. uh, in my opinion, I think prices should either come down back to the support area to retest it, because there isn't much strong support to the left. So prices may come down here and then they came back up, or probably we can see that tomorrow prices will either gap up or open somewhere near to the resistance area and break below it. If they if they break above the resistance area, that would be very strong signal to the upside. uh, or if it remains within the range, then we should also remain neutral in that scenario. So intraday, we have seen that prices have made a new high, but that new high got failed as soon as they reached to the resistance, nearest to the resistance area, and then they came back down. And around middle of the day, or in fact during the, I mean, at the late of the day, to be specific, prices moved down very hard. So based on what price pattern has formed intraday, they are looking bearish, because they have broken below the 200 ms also. So this is the support area around 18,107 level, which they may come down to. If we check it in hourly, it would be around, this is 18,107, and we have 18,107 level around these areas. So this is the area from where prices might come down, and then go back, or they might just tomorrow they just ignore all this bearish, all this selling, and just gap up, open gap up, and move to the upside. So let's see what happened tomorrow, because we have seen that buyers stepped up whenever prices come down to the support zone. This is what we have observed so far. Let's see what has happened in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has it has broken the low of the previous candle, which was not the case of Nifty 50. Nifty 50, we are seeing continuously up bars which are, breaking the high of the previous candles, and they are making the higher lows. Whereas in Nifty Bank, after this high, prices are, open and closing within the range of this candle. And today there was a selling day, and it has broken below the low of this candle. So that shows some bearishness. If we just mark the support in Bank Nifty, we have the nearest one is here, which is around 40,592. So, either prices might test this level and then move back up to ignore the selling, or they might come down to retest the next level, which is around 39,492. So Bank Nifty, comparatively is looking, bearish, because it has broken the previous low, and it is, from past 2 days it has been opening in the range. So let's see, and we also have the rising moving averages, which are, little far from the prices. So prices have, they have extended in the short term. So there is a possibility that they might come down to retest the prior support area and the MAs. So we might see some more, downside in Bank Nifty. So that's it into today's analysis. If you have any questions, please comment them in the below box, and please subscribe the channel. Bye for now, and let's catch you in the next video.